Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 5 of the May Paper Code 2022 Advent Calendar. It is Saturday, the 17th of December. And yeah, I'm quickly trying to get this done before all the house wakes up. And we've got a big day today. So let's get into it real quick. What have we got? All right, day 5. Oh, okay, this one is definitely not bendy. And there's a couple of things going on in here. All right. Let's take a look. Oh, that was easier than what I expected. Oh. I haven't seen these. Two-tone color marker. It is a Mark Plus. Okay. And we have a Jetstream. Oh, I've wanted to try one of these. Okay, so it's a uni Jetstream in a 0.05. All right, let's get some paper. Okay, so I've got hazel. That's my cleaner. That's not needed today. All right, let's take a look. All right, so which one do we try first? I'm going to try the Jetstream first. All right, so uni Jetstream 0.5 in black. That's actually really nice. That writes really fine for a 0.5 actually. Let me give you a comparison. All right, so for comparison, I've got my Zebra Sarasa clip in 0.5. It's what I usually use as my bold pen. And I can't even spell hello yet. I definitely need more coffee. Okay, so for a 0.5, this one actually writes really fine. The black is a little bit more muted than what I would have expected for a Sarasa, but you know what? I really like it. And I know I've said that to everything so far, but like, seriously, you can't go wrong. And this one's going to match my new planner, which I am still yet to show you. You'll see it soon, I promise. I'm just waiting on a few things. Okay, so that's the Jetstream. Now, oh, okay. Okay, look at you, cute thing. All right, so we've got, it's a twin, all right, so it's a two-tone highlighter scenario. We've got a grey on one side and we've got a pink on the other. And I like it because like the nibs are actually angled away from each other, which means you can use them independently. That's a cute pink. Oh, okay. So this is a little bit too pink for my aesthetic. Like, this is more my vibe in terms of a lighter pink. But that grey is absolutely gorgeous. And the pink actually is really pretty too. Okay. Let's see if, let me do some experimenting here. Oh, okay. So the Jetstream is not smearing with either one of the colors, and just for comparison's sake, that's the Sarasa. So there was, I'm not sure if you can tell, but there was a bit of smearing even though it's been sitting there for a bit, which is probably one of my biggest gripes about the Sarasa. But this one was perfect. New pen, new daily writer, question mark. Lots of options. Okay, I really like this one. That was cool. Okay, so that's day 5. We've got the Jetstream, we've got a Mark Plus. All in all, I like both of them. I'm not sure about that pink. but that grey is gorgeous. And the jet stream just doesn't smear. I'm thinking the Clenna's going to get a run for her money this year or next year. 2023, you know what I mean. It's around the corner anyway. Cool. Well, so that was day 5. Thanks for joining me again, guys. Tomorrow we'll open up day 6 and the daily videos will continue until Christmas Day or the 25th of December. I'll try to get them out nice and early just so that you get a chance to take a look at them. I do need to ask you though, because I haven't been able to open up the instruction card or the details card from May, I've been thinking of maybe finishing this off with like a roundup video, or the Christmas Day video. I will just do a full roundup once I've opened this card, because I still have refused to get into the details of what's in everything. So let me know in the comments what you want to see. Is it an extra video with the roundup or an extra long last video? That's it from me. Have a good one. Stay safe. Catch you later. Bye.